Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So this is my weekly Wednesday vlogging, and I'm actually gonna do it while I drive. Got the GoPro sitting up on the dash there and controlling with my phone. I have the GoPro right now looking at me. So it's the GoPro 8, Hero 8, I guess, black. Running at 4K cinematic wide angle right now. Just took my stepdaughter to work, and overnight it snowed out in one of the little towns next to the town that I live in. They got about a foot of snow here. Spin this around. Got a cool little gadget on here. We'll see if we can see what it does. Give it some speed. Ooh. So this is on a panning mount. As you can see, it's spinning around. I can run it all the way around and then stop it. Stop right there. So this little town is called Kashmir, Washington, and it has a one of the best, supposedly best barbecue joints in Washington State, called Old Country Boys. We'll go up by it here in a minute. Come to a stop. Not sure how well this mic is picking up, since you know, it's just on the GoPro. I have a new mic, and I forgot the adapter to the GoPro, so I can't use it right now. So I'm just using the mic on the GoPro, and we'll see what it does. I was going to drive through downtown, but let's just go over here. This is where Country Boys is, up here to the right. We'll just take a look as we go by. Let's see if we can get it to pan the other way. Oh, it's not going to be quick enough. But, all right, well, we tried. That was my fault. So, coming across, this is the Wenatchee River we're going across. A lot of river rafting and fishing go on, and we got a city worker out here plowing. We'll get by him here. Yes, I know that guy. But anyway, hopefully you can hear me. We'll get out on the highway here, and then we'll try to pan this back around at me so you can see my beautiful mug and hear me better. I'm sure the mic is not picking up the greatest, but let's see if we can get it to go the other way, and we'll speed it up. So here it is. Well, it's second week in January right now. Oh, look at that, it's going back in the frame. I don't know what that blue thing is, but oops, try to stop it, and we'll just see if we can power that up there. That should be powered off now. Alright, so like I said, yesterday all the snow was gone, and then it snowed overnight. Now it's raining a little bit, so all this snow is just getting heavy. It's going to be a wet, soppy mess. But it's really the first significant amount of snow we got, so it's kind of nice, but it's not going to be around very long, I'm afraid to say. I think it'll be gone by probably tomorrow, if not by the weekend. The way it looks, looking at the calendar. So yeah, so anyhow, it's been a good year so far starting out. We're getting things rolling. Got the food truck or food trailer, ordered some equipment for it. We're getting that delivered. Ordered new flooring for it, so I'm gonna have to install that. Got some more product review videos coming up, things that I've actually bought for the trailer, but we'll put it all in and do an unboxing and type of review on it. So that's coming up. Been getting a lot of calls already. First of the year for parties, catering gigs, private parties, which is kind of nice. So I got to get that all figured out and get it going. And just looking forward to what we can be doing this spring. I think it'll be a pretty good spring. So anyhow, so what else is going on? I think it's kind of funny that I decided not to take down my Christmas lights yet. Wait till it warms up a little bit, then I'll get out there and take them down. I just think it's, you know, like I said, now it's the middle of January, and a lot of people are still turning on their Christmas lights. Now, I haven't turned mine on, but I usually live by the rule that have them on after New Year's, you know, New Year's weekend, New Year's Day weekend, or whatever day that falls on. But January 2nd, no more Christmas lights. The Christmas holiday season's over. It's time to start focusing on surviving the rest of the winter and moving on to greener pastures. How do you feel about that? What's your take? You one of them that likes to run their Christmas lights and trees and everything till the end of January, into February, till snow melts? Or are you like me that says January 2nd, holiday's over? Let me know down in the comments. So, anyhow, we're just going to jump on here, have a quick little chat about holiday lights. I really didn't do a whole lot this year. I did, of course, along the house and put up a wreath and put up, I have two big trees, well, not big trees, I have two trees in my front yard that I ran lights around. They look really nice. I would like to find a nativity scene, light up nativity scene this year. I'd like to incorporate something like that in it for next year. But yeah, I kept it real simple. We have a couple of different, we usually have artificial trees. We have a couple of different ones. This year we actually just put up a little 4-footer and put it up on a table so it shined out the big front window. It looked really good. When it's just, you know, my wife and I, there's really not a whole lot to do about, you know, with the Christmas holiday. So we did our usual, you know, celebrated with our Bloody Marys in the morning. I did a standing rib roast that turned out awesome. Oh, it was so good. You can see it on my Instagram. We actually did our, my wife and I, we did our gift exchange Christmas Eve night, which was kind of nice. We played a couple of card games and Chinese checkers, I think we played. That was fun. And we just kind of just took it easy and chilled. Her daughters, my stepdaughters, were at their biological father's house down in Arizona for the holidays. They had a great time. And then my two boys, my oldest son, he probably was working. He works in a resort town, and they're very busy during the holidays. I'm sure he was working. You know, we did our usual texting of happy holidays and all that. And my other son lives a couple hours away, and he's got a couple of kids, a couple of girls, my granddaughters. So they had to do their Christmas, and you know, they just kind of do their thing, which is fine. It's kind of, you know, what it is, how we do things. Boys are a lot easier than girls, you know. Just happy birthday, Pops, happy birthday, son, love you, or happy birthday, sorry. Happy Christmas, Pops, love ya. Happy Christmas, boys, love you guys. Hope to see you soon. And you know, the internet makes it real nice with these cash apps and Venmos and things like that. I just sent them cash and called it good. We ordered stuff for the granddaughters and had them delivered. They both just went crazy over them. It was nice, the videos we got. So yeah, anyhow, pretty laid back holidays. It's busy, and now we got our snow, so it's time to get serious about you know, the winter and surviving it. Not heavy enough that I need to bust out the snow blower, but how was your holidays? So, alrighty, well, I just wanted to drop on here, say hello, do a quick little vlog, and then we are going to sign out. Till next time. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a good, safe week.